Hey, Tower, what kind of delay you think for 4th from my Tango? Any word on it?
4 Mike Tango, they called me earlier and they said it's going to be tricky. I don't even know if they're going to approve it with the TFR.
Okay.
Join us this episode for a flight that unfortunately never leaves the ground. I guess that's what happens when you try to do a demo flight in the vicinity of a TFR around Mar-a-Lago. After sitting on this footage for a while, I just could not waste the opportunity to show you this beautiful Eclipse Jet owned by Tony.
Hello, I'm Tony DeBose, and this is my 2007 modified in 2012 Eclipse, Total Eclipse 500. I bought the airplane in 2019. It was a time when Eclipse had gone bankrupt, and the future of Eclipse and the support from the factory was questionable. So I took a chance, and I had a feeling that the company would reborn, would emerge again from the ashes, and they did. And since I've owned the aircraft, the service on the aircraft has been excellent. I've never had an extensive AOG, and I'm on the aircraft 5 years now. Well, the big difference it's the most economical jet out there for twin engine jet. And the difference between, of course, the Vision jet and the Eclipse jet, there's 2 engines. I realized the Vision has the parachute, BRS. I came from the Cirrus myself, and it's a great option, but I like having 2 engines. The service ceiling on the Eclipse is the same as the Phenom 100, which is 41,000 feet. The Phenom 100 is a little bit faster, burns a little bit more fuel. It's got the same engines, well, not the same engines, both for Pratt and Whitney engines, but this is a 610F, and I believe on the Phenom 100s are 615Fs, about 1,600 pounds of thrust versus 900 pounds of thrust. And then of course the Vision single engine. So and I think max out to is 31,000 for the second version of the Vision jet. I can depends on range, obviously, range and altitude we're flying, but generally I can fly 3 adults, 600 miles. Yeah, usually max useful loads about with fuel is passenger payloads probably 800 pounds. I don't want to call out weights here, but I just said 175 a piece on the weight, and we're taking off with 1,400 pounds, and we're 400 pounds shy of gross. So we got plenty of weight. Cruises, it depends on, again, temperatures and altitude, but generally speaking, it cruises in the range of, call it 335 to 360. The book says 370, but that's rare because temperatures drastically affect these engines. So sweet spot for this plane as far as best career speeds, probably low 30s, 33, 35. But I fly quite a bit at 41 to get more range out of it. I'll walk you back a little bit. So when we first started talking, I was telling you the Eclipse was really one of the first pioneers of light jets. They started development for the Eclipse back in the late 90s. Executive from Microsoft, Vern Rabin, creator. It was a clean sheet design, and you're going to see that when you see all the avionics and how the plane operates. But there was Eclipse, Diamond, Piper in those days. Everybody was trying to launch their first light jet, right? So Eclipse finally did it, and they started producing aircraft in around 2005. And this aircraft this is serial number 61. So but going back to the history, I bought this plane in 2019 from a very prominent Middle Eastern family, and he bought the plane back in 2012ish and had it completely refitted. So the plane was brought the complete standards back in 2012 with the FIKI and all the required upgrades, and they took it to Hill Aero and did the paint and the interior. So and it was customized for him, and and this is the same paint from 2012.
All right, Tony, you ready to go fly?
Let's go fly.
Put it in there just. This system isn't Garmin. I don't know if you heard of it. It's called ISNS.
I've not.
They've heard. They do a lot of work for the military.
Okay.
And commercial airliners. They did the Boeing 757 refit and also the C-130 work they did. And then they have all the throttle system for the King Air conversions.
Okay, gotcha.
So this is called ISNS, Innovative Support and Solutions, or Solutions and Support.
So it's not Garmin at all?
No, the only thing Garmin is the Bluetooth and some of the internal components of Garmin, GPS.
Okay.
But that's it.
That's a very clean cockpit.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Pompano ground, you copy 434 Mike Tango? Pompano Tower, you copy 434 Mike Tango?
434 Mike Tango, I got you landed there now.
Yeah, I didn't copy you on the ground frequency. Is that one off the line?
And remember, 434 Mike Tango, yeah, it's on the ATIS. If you got it, the ground control's out of service.
Yeah, I didn't copy that. I think the idiots have Julia, but I did not copy that. Appreciate that. But with pick up IFR flight plan, Pompano back to Pompano via Pahokee and Okeechobee.
434 Mike Tango, Roger, you're cleared to Pompano via radar vectors. On departure, maintain 2000. Expect 17,000, 10 minutes after departure. Correction, you're cleared to Pahokee via radar vectors. And on departure, maintain 2000. Expect 1000, correction, 17,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.7, squawk 4772.
Okay, 434 Mike Tango is cleared to Pompano via Pompano to Pahokee. Radar vectors, climb 2000, expect 17,000, and that's 119.7 departure. I think you said the squawk is 4770 or 4772?
Squawk is 4772.
4772 is the squawk, 434 Mike Tango.
Tower 4 Mike Tango, readback is correct, device ready taxi.
We'll be back to you shortly. All right, let's see here. You see the guy out there anywhere?
Oh, right over there.
Okay, good. We'll go start over here. We'll go start up one now again. I'll get him riled up. This is gives you kind of the synoptics for startup for the fuel. We're starting the right engine. Looking for watching my ITTs. Make sure my oil pressure is up. It is. That's one thing. There's not a CAS message for the oil pressure, but there is for everything else. Of course, this is FETA controlled engines. Thanks for warning. Airplane's got a lot of warnings to let you know something's not ready. So we're starting off a GPU today, both engines. So we're not going to turn the batteries on yet, or the generators on yet. All right, let's do number one. And here it goes. The oil pressure, which is not enunciated. There we go, coming up. And look like we have two good starts. Yeah. Now we'll engage our generators. Let's just right here. When I gauge the generator, that will disconnect. There we go. It goes white. That's on line and left. On line. Looking for my voltage to go down to basically from below 7 amps, which it is. We're charging, so it's good. This is designed to have 60 minutes of battery power in case you have a total electric failure.
Okay.
Yeah, this aircraft has heavy-duty batteries that give you that 60 minutes. We have takeoff config. Good. Okay, I'll go back to the record checklist, and we'll just I'll scan this, make sure that I didn't miss anything. Oh, you buckled up back there? Yep. All right, good deal. You buckled up, look good.
Yep.
Buckled up, flight control behind you there. Okay, very good. If we have a depressurization, your mask will actually drop out of there, but you can use that one. That's a quick down behind. You can grab it also.
Okay.
All right, we have weight and balance. We have takeoff temp. We have takeoff config. Mission set. No ECBs. All look good before taxi. Did all the tests. Trims are good. Flaps are set for takeoff. External lights. Takeoff briefing. What we're going to do is we're going to take off at 15. They're going to circle us around. We're going to head over to Lake Okeechobee.
Okay.
Then we'll do a circle back and come back in. Probably do the approach in the 15.
Sounds great.
We have any kind of situation prior to 70 knots. We have unless it's if it's 70 knots below, we're going to abort. Anything over 70 knots, if it's a engine fire, other than the engine fire control issue, we'll continue on. Probably go to Boca.
Sounds good.
That's our maintenance facility. So that's it. All right.
Open Tower 7181 Lima, can I change frequency?
Ray 1 Lima, contact Miami 126.05. Correction 119.7.
119.7. showing 181 Lima.
Good. We got a few items to go. We got a air source switch and lights. So for him, his indication here for the GPU, it's off now. He's probably got pulled. There we go. And Pampa Tower, 4th from Mike Tango at spot 3, ready taxi to 115.
434 Mike Tango, taxi to runway 15 via Charlie Mike, Delta, Golf, cross runway 10 on Charlie, hold short of runway 6 on Golf.
Okay, it's Charlie Mike Romeo, one more time, I think it's Charlie Mike Romeo Golf, cross 10, hold short 6 on Golf.
4 Mike Tango, it's Charlie Mike Golf, cross runway 10 on Charlie, hold short runway 6 on Golf.
Okay, Charlie Mike Golf and cross 10 on Charlie and then hold short of 6 on Golf. Mike Tango. I sent this plane back to the factory. When I bought it, it had a 2.08 version, and I sent it back to the factory 2 years ago, and I had it upgraded to the 2.5 version.
Where is it located?
Albuquerque.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
How many of these jets are out flying? I mean, it's
About
pretty...
280.
280?
Yeah.
How'd you initially find out about the Eclipse Jet?
Back in the Dayjet days, I had a buddy that was a Czech airman for Dayjet, and he introduced me to the Eclipse. And I have a friend over in Hammond, Louisiana, Pierce Aviation. They manage and they manage a bunch of Eclipses, probably 10. We're okay to cross 10, clear left to the right.
So what's your day job? I mean, are you a corporate pilot or?
No, I'm I run
Businessman is what I understood, but.
I run an investment management firm.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's my day job. And that's what we use the plane primarily for, is to travel around the country, primarily eastern part of the country, seeing clients. And amazing the technology on safe taxi.
Oh yeah.
Okay, crossing runway 6 on Golf, 434 Mike Tango. And we're clear right, and we'll make sure we're clear left here. And we're clear. And we're clear. I had a coyote run in front of me on 6 about a month ago.
Really?
Yeah, and those woods over there. There's some wildlife, and there's a big guy. And luckily, I just finished my landing roll, and he was like, "What are you on my runway?" Right?
Yeah. Those little boogers to get you.
Oh yeah. I would not want to hit that guy, you know.
So what's your rotation speed?
Today we're rotating at 89.
Okay.
Yeah. So it'll be pretty quick. It spools up really, not like a jetliner on a commercial aircraft. These engines spool up pretty quick.
How much runway do you need?
27. I'll show you in a second. About 2,700.
I know that changes with weight.
Let me stop for a second up here. I'll show you. Yeah, the weight affects it, but anywhere from, and the winds, of course, obviously. Anywhere from 23 to 2,700. Today's probably about 2,600.
Okay.
This plane's got so many sensors on it. Any little thing that's out of whack, you'll get either a yellow, white, or red caution light. So.
Okay. Yeah, you being able to talk a lot helps, because obviously I don't have a typewriter. I've never been in, flown a jet before, so I have no concept of, if we were in a piston, I'd have all these questions, but there's a lot I don't know, so you talking helps out a lot, because when we went up with Abe, it was like, okay, I need to come up with something because I don't know what to ask him.
I hear you. And Pampa Tower 434 Mike Tango, be ready.
4 Mike Tango, roger, stand by for release.
Stand by for release. I'll show you that performance page second here. This right here, you can calculate your takeoff performance. And you see it's about 2,500 feet there. Pretty cool stuff, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
So they didn't forget anything, right? They just, this is really the complete aircraft from what was the initial design back in the late 90s and early 2000s.
It's a little, I've been in the Vision Jet. It's a little bit like the Vision Jet as far as like the layout a little bit.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's very clean. So was the Phenom. The Phenom was also very clean, but...
Yeah, I've flown, I'm not typed in the Phenom, but I've ridden with Abe quite a bit, and it's a very comfortable aircraft.
Yeah.
Like I say, anything before 70 knots we're going to board, anything after, unless it's control or fire, we'll go over to Boca, which is about 8 miles that way.
Okay.
Yeah, full satellite. It's got iridium. You know, they track the engines. Boeing does, and a company called Camp out of Canada. So they're getting satellite feeds on the engines as we fly.
Wow.
Yeah.
With the TFR going up right now, how does that typically work? I mean, you know, they just clear you through it as long as you.
Well, yeah, we're outside the 10 mile. If we were inside the 10 mile veil, we wouldn't be able to fly at all.
Okay.
But we're outside that, so under a squawk code, we can fly. They're not allowing today. They're not allowing any any pattern work today.
Okay.
If you're inside the 30 mile veil, you can't do any pattern work. We may actually just cut the trip short, circle over the lake, and come back once I pass Poke.
Air 4 Mike Tango, Roger. Stand by. Miami's got a bunch of stuff going on, so it might be a while.
Hey, Tower, what kind of delay you think for 4th for Mike Tango? Any word on it?
Air 4 Mike Tango, they called me earlier and they said it's going to be tricky. I don't even know if they're going to approve it with the TFR.
Okay. Hold short. That kind of sucked, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It's all right though. I'm going to use it anyway.
Yeah. So the see, we're right. This is on film, right? You think you'll see this?
Yeah.
So
earlier.
we're on the edge of the VIP TFR here.
So are they only approving what they deem as like necessary? Or?
I guess. I wasn't actually. We're going to be outside. I mean, we're not going to land, so we're actually flying outside TFR and coming back.
Yeah.
That was the proposed plan. And we're right on the. I mean, this airport's the southernmost in the TFR. Of course, if you're inside this area here, you can't fly at all.
That's where his club is, right?
Yeah. He's up here. Lagomar's up. Not Lagomar, but whatever it's called. It's up.
Golf course or whatever.
Yeah, it's up here. Yeah.
Okay.
I won't call it Lagomar because we have a Lagomar here, but yeah, this is the Trump area is right about here.
Okay.
Actually, it's right there inside that circle there. Yeah. So.
Ain't nobody flying over that.
Well, I guess they're letting the commercial airliners fly. I guess. I mean,
Are they letting the commercials out?
I would think. Yeah. I mean, you can't like stop commercial traffic into PBI, right? I wouldn't think so. You know, I've never been stuck by a TFR before.
Yeah,
this is the first.
This is the first one.
Yeah, and we had,
right,
we had Trump back in, 2016 to 2020, but I've never tried to do a demo flight either. So
yeah.
It was always like it was a party in the area going out of town or something, right?
All right. Well, thank you. We
You're
didn't
welcome.
really fly, but it was still.
Next time.
Yeah, gotta blame the Trump TFR for that one.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, it's okay.
I got the city coyotes anyway, and give you a kind of a ground demo of their aircraft.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for showing me around the plane. Very cool jet. Great history too, with just the acquisition of it and everything. And
thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode. Pretty interesting one. It's the first time. I think you said you've been stuck in a TFR, right? By a TFR, or been able to take off out of one?
No, this is the first time.
Yeah,
this first time.
First time for me
back
too.
during the 2016, 2020 Trump era, when I never got stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well,
but I guess because this was a demo flight, maybe they call it a training flight, they wouldn't let us take off.
Yeah. Well, what are you gonna do?
Right?
Yeah, I know. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. There'll be some extra footage on our Patreon from this trip down to Florida, and y'all go check it out. Enjoy, and thanks for your support. See you next time.
Thanks, Emma.